Good day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about the LEATHERMAN wingman, and it's 14 different tools. So first, the knife. It's a combo blade. Don't really like it, but it will help you out of trouble when you need it. Very strong blade. Next is the scissors. Nice pair of scissors with a spring also. If you open the wingman, then you get your pliers, sharpness pliers, and your normal pliers for grabbing big stuff, and your side cutters here at the back. And what I like about the wingman, the pliers opens for himself. So then if you go in this side, get a can opener and a bottle opener at the same, and here you can use your wire cleaners. So that's also a nice tool to have, then you don't mess up your blades and cut your fingers and so. And then you get your file. I've modified my file a little bit, so I run it a little bit smaller here in front for a smaller flat screwdriver. And on the other side you have a small ruler. And then you have a package opener that works also very nice and helps you also a lot. On the other side you have your two screwdrivers, your big flathead screwdriver and your big star point screwdriver, and all of them are locking also if you open it fully. And the wingman weighs 200 grams, so it's not that heavy knife. It's lighter than the Wave Plus. The next video I'm doing, guys, is the Wave Plus. I'm going to show you some of it tools also and some of the modifications I made on it. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.